Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keita. Welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hit that post notification bell so you can join this family over here. And yeah, make sure you do that, and make sure you comment down below when you have subscribed to my channel. Keep watching if you are interested in this video. This is so good, y'all. I'm eating like some chewy pecan squares, y'all, from yesterday's Christmas dinner. And it's called chewy pecan squares. And oh my God, I just can't get enough of this. And my little girl loves this stuff. She loves it. Let me put this down so I can get this video out for y'all, because I do gotta go to work tonight. But I gotta get this review out for y'all. Make sure that you guys let me know down in the comments when you subscribe to my channel, as well as when you hit that post notification bell, and when you become a part of this team over here. Today's video is going to be a review on a surgical cap bouffant that I purchased July 2020 of this year. And I didn't get to do a review on it because I was in phlebotomy school, and then after phlebotomy school was over, respiratory therapy school started right on up. So I was not able to film for you guys like I should have, and I do apologize to you all. I'm sorry, but I had to study, y'all. I hope you guys please find in your hearts to forgive me, but I had to study, because if I didn't study, I wouldn't have made the grades that I made. So make sure that you go ahead and please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss these grades when I post them. And I've been trying to get all of my other videos and stuff out of the way so that I could like build up intensity and like what's another word? I don't know what another word is right now because I can't think straight, but I was trying to build up some intensity, trying to figure out, oh my God, what was her grade? But I will tell you, several people already know what my grades are. And if you are watching this video, please do not tell everybody what my grades are yet, because I'm trying to have everybody anticipating my grades. There we go. I want everybody to anticipate my grades. So yeah, like I said, a lot of people do know my grades, and one person for sure actually knows what my grades are, like what they are point for point, grade for grade, like number for number. Like they know exactly what my grades are. And that person is subscribed to my channel, and she is currently a registered respiratory therapist, and she has been following my channel for a good long while. And she actually reached out to me like I think it was the second week before this first semester of respiratory therapy school was over. She emailed me and she was like, hey Keita, I'm just subscribed to your channel and I've been following you for a while, and I just wanted to know if everything was okay, and we haven't had any videos from you in a while. So I was like, oh my God, she emailed me. But anyway, I get so excited, y'all. I'm sorry. But anyway, like I said, I seen her email and I was like, oh my God, she really missed my videos. So I emailed her back and I was like, yeah, next week is finals week, and I sent her my grades and stuff so she could see, just let her know that I was not actually playing or anything, because I really am in respiratory therapy school. But her name is Miss Davis, and like I said, she reached out to me, and I quickly responded to her email because I was like, oh my God, I have a respiratory therapist watching me. Like, I was like, I'm just a student. Like, oh my God. Like, a lot of stuff was running through my head. But anyway, back to what this video was for. But I just wanted to shout you out, Miss Davis. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for emailing me and giving me your words of encouragement as well as your words of advice for finals. Like, she told me not to change my answers and none of that. But that's a whole nother story, y'all. That's a whole nother video, whole nother separate video that I'm about to do, because it just keeps coming out. Like, I can't keep the suspense going no more. Like, I got to get this video out for y'all. So make sure that y'all subscribe so y'all not miss that. But today's video is going to be about my surgical cap bouffant that I purchased off of Etsy.com. And I don't even know how you pronounce this name, but I'm going to actually put it somewhere on here. It'll be somewhere in here. But it is, please forgive me if I butcher this name, but it is D. Marie and Marie, or Day Me Marie and Maria. I'm sorry, but anyway, they offer a wide variety of handcrafted goodies, and they are a mother and daughter team. And I purchased a surgical cap bouffant from them, and y'all, I love this surgical cap bouffant because it is well handcrafted. Like, it is seamless. When I tell y'all seamless, it is freaking seamless. And I can't even, well, I can thread a needle, but I can't see no errors, none. When I tell y'all, and it's got satin on the inside of this. Let me put this on for y'all, so I'm just talking about it and they be like, Keita, let me see. I'm about to let y'all see. Y'all see this? I ain't gonna put all my hair in here because my hair is down, but I got this pattern, and it is beautiful, y'all. I got the surgical cap bouffant that actually has a ear saver on here with the buttons and stuff, so when you put your mask on, you'll be able to hook your mask to your buttons versus hooking your mask to your ears. So I got this. I'm gonna take this off, y'all. This is the pattern itself, and it is beautifully handcrafted, you guys. They're not too expensive or anything, but they are reasonable, and the shipping was lightning fast. And they even have their name on their buttons. Like, who has their name on their buttons? But this is it right here. This is how this is what their name looks like. And they're on Instagram, and I think they're on Etsy too, and they actually have their own website, and I will leave all of that in the description for you guys. But this right here, look at this. You can't even ain't not one stitch out of place, and I done had this thing since July. Like, no stitch out of place. No, not one. And it is satin, and it feels so good on my hair, y'all. When I tell y'all, this is what I use for clinicals, as for respiratory therapy clinicals, as well as just like putting my hair up in the bun and going out the door, putting this on top of it, gone on the highway. But I will make sure that I link all of their stuff down below for you guys, because I think I paid like $28 for this. And guess what? These ladies, this sister and daughter duo, were taking a break, but guess what? Today is December 26th, and that is why I waited to do this video and this review for you guys, because they were taking a break until December 26th on Etsy. So please make sure that you head on over there, check them out, tell them Keita's RT Journey sent you. But I do not get a commission or percentage off of their whatever they make. It's whatever they make from all of us, because they are great at what they do. Like, I'm telling y'all, look at this. Can y'all, can't even see not one stitch out of place. When I tell you this thing is flawless, it is flawless. And I put this in the washing machine. I do not dry this in the dryer. Throw it in the washing machine, wash it, and let it air dry on my drying rack. But I will make sure that I will link all of their stuff in the description box for you guys. This video is not sponsored by them by any means. I spent my own coin because where COVID was out, I needed something to protect my hair because I was not about to have it in my hair, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm not. But I will definitely, and I mean definitely, be making another purchase from these ladies because they got their name on their buttons. Like, come on, y'all. They have their name engraved in their buttons that they put on their stuff. And they have some great, and I mean great, products on their website as well as Etsy as well. So I'm sorry, y'all. I did throw away my packaging. Don't get me. But at the time that I purchased this, like, COVID had just came out, like, in my area. Like, it was out already in other areas, but it hadn't traveled to my area. But like I said, this was not sponsored by them or anything, and I wanted to give you guys my honest review on this surgical cap. I'm about to put this back on. I'm going to put this back on for you guys so you can see how it looks again. And I'm about to turn around. But all of my hair does fit within this bouffant because my hair is long, y'all. And I'm about to turn around just so y'all can see how this looks. And it's lightweight. It's breathable. Like, I couldn't even tell, like, I had nothing on my head, y'all. Like, I love this thing so much. And ladies, if you are watching this video, I'm so sorry that I actually butchered y'all's name because I was unable to pronounce y'all's name. But I'm going to be sending some customers your way, so be ready. Be ready. Look at that, y'all. Oh, my God. But, yes, I'm giving this surgical bouffant in D. Marie or D or Day Maria and Marie or Maria, however you want to pronounce it. I'm giving this a 5-star rating, y'all. Just because it's flawless. Like, it's not one stitch out of place, and I've had this thing since July, and I wear this constantly. Throw it in the washing machine and be dry the next day so I can put it back on. This thing right here, it has protected my hair as well as while I was doing my protective style, and it keeps particles and debris and things like that out of my head, and I'm very well pleased with this. Like, I'm definitely going to be making another purchase for them pretty soon because I want to let them get December 26th out the way because I know that they are going to be swamped with customers. And they make, like, little head wraps and, like, they make a ton of these, though, because they got their name engraved. I just cannot, I'm sorry, I cannot get over this. Like, they have their name engraved on their buttons. Like, this is a mother and daughter team. Like, go support these ladies, okay? Like, I'm not going to bring y'all something that I don't wear myself. Like, I wear this often. Like, often, on a regular basis. Like, this right here, I've never seen such time being taken to handcraft something this well. Like, I'm telling y'all, look at this. There is not one stitch out of place on this surgical cap, and I washes it faithfully, and it has like the little elastic stuff on the back of it, so it will be able to contain or hold your hair. And I use this as a CNA, a certified nursing assistant in the hospital, and after I left the hospital, I went to an assisted living facility, and I still wear this. I wear this to school. I wear this to clinicals. And I wear this to work because I do work 16 hours and I'm not having that COVID crap in my head. Like, I'm not. Look at my hair, y'all. But anyway, back to this. I'm just infatuated with my hair right now because my hang time, I've never had hang time like this, y'all. But anyway, like I said, this is very well handcrafted, and I love this company, and I will continue to support this company for as long as I possibly can because they have a lot of stuff. Make sure that you guys go over and check out their website. Make sure that you check them out on Instagram, as well as you check them out on Etsy.com, because I will be leaving all of that stuff in the description as well as within this video when I edit it. So make sure that you check these ladies out. I will never steer you wrong, and I will give you all the goodness on all the reviews that what I used in respiratory therapy school. So make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification bell. And I'm trying to figure out if it's anything else that I missed or I need to say to you guys. I don't think it is, because I think I touched on everything. I gave them a 5-star rating. I watched this and watched it and watched it. They're a mother and daughter team. And this product, although I did pay $28 for it, it is worth every penny. Do you hear me? The quality of this is remarkable. Remarkable. And I've had this since July. And I've never had a product that was handcrafted to the T. Like, I'm still just over the hills because it's not even one stitch out of place. And I keep looking at it. That's why I keep looking down. Like, I keep looking at it because this right here is flawless. I'm going to give y'all the tea. This right here gets a 5-star rating from me. And make sure you go check them out. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on this surgical cap bouffant that I be rocking. So, yes. Please, please, please make sure that you go check them out. You may find something on their website or their their actual full website or their website from Etsy.com that you or a family member might like. So make sure that you go check them out and tell them I sent you. We out. Thanks for watching.